You're so silly out here, Angel. But it's time to score, so let's lock them in, everyone. You've got 10 seconds left. Fernando Martinez looking comfortable out on the track. It was actually El Toro Loco who took the win in this competition yesterday. Asking to his career wins there in the donut competition. Taking major control, we're going to find out which one shots. The score for Fernando Martinez in El Toro Loco is a good score, 9.022. That lands him in third place. That puck is looking quite comfortable out on the track, chasing its tail. You can see Jamie Sullivan right here on the Super Blue Glitch after the replay. Confidently sends that 12,000-pound Monster Jam truck into a perfect rotation. You can see those PKT tires working super hard, and she has got that front and back steering locked. We're going to find out if you all thought, though, how she stood up against the competition. Your scores are locked in. The score for Jamie Sullivan in Monster Muscle Nation is an 8.908. That is good enough for fourth place. Our final track to go in the competition. Put those paws together for Brianna Mahan in Scooby-Doo. Scores are open right now to the zone, so lock it in. Less than 20 seconds to get that official score locked and loaded for that donut run by Brianna Mahan and Scooby-Doo. Check out this replay, South Haven. You can see those BKT tires grind the dirt down to where she gets to that concrete and is able to pick up some serious speed. It's no easy going last in the donut competition. Let's check out the scores. Right now, the group score to beat is held by Michaela Telichka in Megalodon, which is a score of 9.435. And the score for Brianna Mahan and Scooby-Doo is 79.789. South Haven, your winner of the donut competition is Brianna Mahan and Scooby-Doo. Brianna Mahan and Scooby-Doo beats out the competition right here in South Haven, bringing on her third donut win of the series. 84 points, no easy to get there. It is set for a competitor to go last in the competition, but you all thought Brianna Mahan did enough. Keep up those cheers as we wait to hear from the winner herself, the Princess of Fun, your donut winner, Brianna Mahan and Scooby-Doo. Brianna, you know, every single one of your sweaters really struggled in the first start of getting those revolutions, getting going. What do you think that was because of?
You know, honestly, the curve keeps seeing some remarkable things from our drivers this weekend. But, I mean, when it comes to finding that sweet spot, how much of it is skill versus timing versus coincidence?